Hello everyone, this is Nimish Wagre. In GATE 2021, I have secured All India rank 23 in Chemical Engineering. In this video, I will discuss how much important to read books for GATE preparation. Many students ask me for this GATE preparation should we read books, and if yes, which books to read, and from this book which topic is important. Many students ask me such kind of questions. So let us start our discussion. What After reading books, what are advantages of reading books is it will clear your all concepts. All concepts will get crystal clear, and it cover many problems. It will more clear your concepts, and also further it will cover all topics. After reading books, you will have a confidence that I will solve questions on this topic, and such kind of confidence you have. But there are some disadvantages also. For example, as it is books are designed for engineering, it contains many topics which are not important for your GATE examination. Like for example, compressible flow in fluid mechanics. This topic is not important for chemical engineering. And another is example is power cycles in thermodynamics. This is also not in syllabus of chemical engineering. So we want to neglect such kind of topics. And another thing I will like to disadvantage of this reading books is it will consume your much time. Now if you are in final year now, and now you are starting reading books, then hardly you can complete 5 to 6 subjects up to December or January month. It will consume a lot of time. And another disadvantage of reading books is it is a very vast syllabus of engineering. Many concepts, many topics, and very big books. आपका ऐसा हो जाएगा कि मैं ये पढ़ा था, परसों ये पढ़ा था, वो भूल रहा हूँ, और इतना भी पढ़ना भी बाकी है, कुछ याद नहीं रह रहा. Eventually you will start losing your confidence if you are unable to complete syllabus. So this is some disadvantage of reading books. What I will suggest is for second year student, you have enough time, so you should read books. But for third year and final year students, you have very 6 months only, very little time. So what I will discuss which book and which topic of this book you should read. So for subject like fluid mechanics, heat transfer, and thermodynamics 1, classical thermodynamics, what I will suggest is instead of reading books, you should watch a lecture on YouTube or Unacademy platform. There are many good courses available on both these platforms, and you should make proper notes on your notebook. This will help you to revise further. This is what I will suggest. And further talking about book, I will suggest you book of Cengel. Cengel have a separate book for fluid mechanics, separate book for heat transfer, and separate book for thermodynamics. What I will suggest is you should go through the diagrams and figures of this book. For example, in a fluid mechanics of Cengel book, many concepts are discussed in figures or diagrams. So I will suggest you to go through these all figures, diagrams in 3 books of this Cengel. And also another important topic is in this Cengel book, if anywhere points given like 1, 2, 3, 4, if anywhere points given, for example, for Bernoulli equation, limitation of Bernoulli equation, it is given in points 1, 2, 3, 4. And for heat transfer, Nusselt-Therike assumptions, it is given in points 1, 2, 3, 4. So you should read these points. This is very important. for GATE examination. From what I discussed, from 3 books of Senjal, you should watch all diagrams and read points given in the 3 books. And next subject is solution thermodynamics, which is for chemical engineering. For this subject, listening Devendra Punya sir's lectures, which is available on LinkedIn in free, it is sufficient. Means this sir have covered many concepts, all concepts covered, and in very good manner. So it will clear your all concepts. And talking about book, this Kevin Narayana book. From this Kevin Narayana book, topics chapter 6, 7, 8, 9, and from these chapters, all solve examples. Yes, all solve examples are very important. Means many concepts discussed in solve example of these 6, 7, 8, 9 chapters for solution thermodynamics. And the next subject is process calculation. For process calculation, which book I will suggest is Himenlu, one yellow color book. And this from this book you should see all solve examples. Try to solve all solve examples. And for recycle bypass first topic, you should solve exercise. This exercise of this recycle bypass purge is very nice exercise, and many concepts and everything covered in this in this exercise. So I will suggest you to solve if you have time. And for chemical reaction engineering, and where you have studied, means in your college or YouTube or an academic platform, what I will suggest for this chemical reaction engineering subject is you should solve exercise from Octave Levenspiel book. This is very good book, Octave Levenspiel 3rd edition. I use this book. I didn't use Fogler book for the CRE subject. And this exercise up to RTD, residence time distribution, means it is in a non-ideal reactor topic in this book. The exercise up to this RTD topic are very important and very good problems in exercise of this Octave Levenspiel book. So I will suggest you to solve all exercise of this CRE book. Next, talking about mass transfer. For mass transfer, this Ankur Bansal sir, this is a teacher on an academy. His lecture is sufficient for mass transfer. Means he's a best teacher. Once when I doing internship, there was topic of this GATE examination, and I talk about Ankur Bansal sir. द सामने वाला बच्चा बोला वही टीचर ना जो अन अकेडमी पे मास ट्रांसफर बहुत अच्छे से पढ़ाते हैं. सो वेरी फेमस टीचर ही इज. सो दिस इज फॉर मास ट्रांसफर ही डूइंग yes. And next subject is process dynamics and control. For this subject, what I will suggest is instead of going through books, you will find it directly reading this subject from book. You will find it difficult. So you should listen lecture on YouTube or on academy. You will direct after typing on searching bar. After typing this subject, you will get many lectures of Manish sir of an academy, and another teacher's lecture also available on YouTube. So I will suggest you first listen this lecture before going to Kapner book. Kapner is good book. I only use this book, but doing lectures for this subject is only sufficient. Next topic is plant design and economics. And for this subject, instead of going for books, I will suggest you to listen Shailendra sir's lectures. Shailendra sir or Ankur Bansal sir's lectures. This is sufficient for plant design and economics subject. Okay, no need to read this Timmer House book, which is very big book. There is no need to read this book. For chemical technology. For chemical technology, what I did is only reading notes and listening lectures on YouTube. I think I was listening lecture of Sumit sir. Sumit sir, whole course of chemical technology. It is available on YouTube. I will suggest you to listen it. And also, if you want my notes, you can send me request on LinkedIn. On LinkedIn, you type Nimish Wagre. You will get my profile and you can send me a request. I will send you my notes to you on this LinkedIn platform. This is one I can do. And another very important topic I want to discuss, focus on maths and aptitude. Means many students neglect this topic, maths and aptitude. And in GATE examination, 30% weightage is for maths and aptitude. So I will suggest you to focus on it. For aptitude, you can listen Ashish Puttan sir's lecture. It is on LinkedIn. Search bar, if you type Ashish Puttan, you will get his lectures. And for mathematics, I will suggest you Ankur Bansal sir's lectures. This is a good lectures available on Unacademy. And this is all I want to discuss in this video. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe this video. Thank you. Let's crack it.
It's time to experience something glorious. Unacademy Combat. Compete, crack, conquer.
A challenging GATE contest engineered to give you an experience like none other.
Where you put your knowledge to test
and battle it out with a test.
To bring out the best in you, Unacademy Combat is the most competitive, gamified contest for GATE till date, with the best of the questions by best educators.
with detailed video solutions from top educators right after each contest.
Combat live with peers to get real-time rankings and win big.
Participate in every contest to improve your ratings.
Challenging contests every fortnight or alternate Sunday. Live ranking after every question. Big rewards for top rankers. Your passion to crack GATE deserves this. Your hard work towards your dream deserves this. Fuel your inner fire for the ultimate GATE challenge. Unacademy Combat. Register now.
Hello learners, don't forget or miss our special class feature on Unacademy platform or application. Special class features are interactive live classes, polls for the learners, raise a hand feature, never miss a class, lecture notes, and you can go through lectures from anytime and from anywhere.